Hello students, welcome to your online social class. Subject Social, Grade 5, Unit 1, Ancient Excavation. Topic Some interesting examples from Tamil Nadu. Hi dears, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe. In the last class, we discussed about understand about excavation and archaeologist. In the today's section, we are going to discuss about some interesting examples from Tamil Nadu. Are you ready dears? In the last session, I gave reading homework. No? Did you go through the lesson? Yes, very good. What we saw in the last class, we saw about excavation and archaeologists. Let us recap what we learnt in the last class. The process of digging the ground is called excavation. Again, I am repeating. The process of digging the ground is called excavation. The people who dig up the earth at different places to find things which are used by the people of the past are called archaeologists. Again, I am repeating. The people who dig up the earth at different places to find things which are used by the people of the past are called the archaeologist. Is it clear for you dears? Next what we saw? We saw who is an archaeologist. The people who study the history of humans and places through excavation and analyze the artifacts. What is artifacts? The things that archaeologists find during the excavation are called artifacts. What is excavation first? Excavation is a controlled exploration of what lies under the surface of earth. Is it clear for you dears? What is artifacts? The things that archaeologists find during excavation are called artifacts. Then what we saw? Some interesting examples from the world. First what we saw? Pyramids in Egypt. When the pyramids were excavated, it was found that the small pyramids were made for the queens. The huge tombs were built for the burial of the royal family. Skeletons found in the pyramid gave information about the average height and age of the people. Is it clear for you dears? Next what we saw? We saw about Indus civilization. It is also called Harappan civilization. Baked bricks were found underground and the city had a well planned proper sanitation system, proper well and a way to direct wastewater to closed drains. Then they have also granaries, advanced granaries, great bath and productive vaults. It was found that the city and its civilization were advanced for that time. Is it clear dears? Go through the lesson one more time. In the today's section, we are going to see about some interesting examples from Tamil Nadu. Are you ready? Okay. There are many places in Tamil Nadu where excavations had happened and many interesting things were found. The important excavations in Tamil Nadu are Adichanallur, Arikamedu and Keeladi. First one is what ma? Adichanallur. Adichanallur is in Thoothukudi district. Among the artifacts unearthed were urns, pottery of various kinds, redware, blackware, iron implements, daggers, swords, spears and arrows, some stone beads and a few gold ornaments. The artifacts unearthed were urns, U-R-N-S. Urns were baked vessels. Okay ma? Pottery of various kinds, red color and black color parts. Iron implements, daggers. Daggers means knife with sharp findings. Okay ma? Then swords. Swords means it's used for fighting, no? That one. Then spears and arrows. some stone beads and a few gold ornaments were found here. Is it clear, dears? Next, bronze. 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 Bronze means a alloy consisting of copper with additional other metals like aluminum, everything. Okay, dears? Bronze objects representing domestic animal and wild animals like tiger, antelope and elephant have unearthed. Bronze objects of domestic and wild animals were unearthed here. Is it clear, dears? The people were skillful in making pottery and in working stone and wood. Those people is skilled in making pottery and know to working in stone and wood. Is it clear, dears? Again I am repeating, among the artifacts unearthed were urns, potteries, iron implements, daggers, swords, spears and arrows, some stone beads and few gold ornaments, and bronze objects also unearthed. Those people were skilled in making pottery and working in of stone and wood. Is it clear for you? Next one is Arikamedu. Arikamedu is an archaeological site. First, what is an archaeological site, ma? An archaeological site is an place where there are physical remains of past human and activities. Again I am repeating, archaeological site is any place where there are many physical remains of past human activities. Is it clear, dears? So Arikamedu is an archaeological site. It is situated near Pondicherry. The excavation revealed that it was a coastal village that traded with Rome. Coastal village. What is a coastal village, man? Near the sea. A village near the sea. Okay. The excavation revealed that it was a coastal village that traded with Rome. An archaeologist found Roman lamp, glass, stone, beads, gems, cutlery. 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 Cutlery means handlet. It's used for eating and serving food, no? That is cutlery. Then crockery. 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 Crockery means plates, dishes, cups, etc. And wine containers, etc. An archaeologist found Roman lamps, glass, stone beads, gems, cutlery and crockery, wine containers, etc. Okay, dears? He noted that for the local fishermen of the village, the antiques were no. You know, dears, the local fishermen of that village, for them, these antiques were very new. Okay? Again, I am repeating, Arikamedu is an archaeological site situated near Pondicherry. It is a coastal village that traded with Rome. An archaeologist found Roman lamp, glass, stone beads, gems, cutlery and crockery, wine containers, etc. Do you know some dinosaur eggs were discovered at Sendurai in Ariyalur? Can you imagine, dears? Dinosaur eggs were discovered at Sendurai in Ariyalur. Okay, dears? Next one is Keeladi. Keeladi is in Sivagangai district. The Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, Archaeological Survey of India, is an archaeological survey. That means it is responsible for the archaeological survey. Okay, ma? Archaeological Survey of India excavated at ancient town dating to Sangam age in Keeladi village at Tirupuvanam Taluk. Okay, dear? The Archaeological Survey of India excavated an ancient town dating to Sangam age in Keeladi village at Tirupuvanam Taluk. Excavation have produced evidence for brick buildings and well laid out drainage systems. The buildings were built using the bricks and well planned drainage system. Is it clear, dears? Tamil Brahmi inscriptions on pottery. You know, dears, inscription is a monument. Okay. Tamil Brahmi inscriptions on pottery, beads of glass, pearl, gold ornaments and iron objects, shell bangles, ivory dice have been unearthed. What are the things unearthed in the Keeladi district? Tamil Brahmi inscriptions on pottery, beads of glass, pearl, gold ornaments and iron objects, shell bangles, ivory dice have been unearthed. Roman artifacts found at the site add to the evidence of ancient Indo-Roman trade relations. The evidence found here are the evidence of ancient Indo-Roman trade relations. Let's recap what we learnt in the today's class. Interesting examples from Tamil Nadu. Under first one what we saw about Adichanallur. It is in Thoothukudi district. Some artifacts unearthed were urns, potteries, iron implements, dags, quartz, etc. Then bronze objects were unearthed. Then people is skilled in pottery and they know to working in stone and wood. And what we saw about Arikamedu. It is an archaeological site. The coastal village that traded with Rome. Archaeological found Roman lamps, glass, stones, etc. Next what we saw about Keeladi. An ASI excavated an ancient town dating to Sangam age in Keeladi village at Thirubuvanam Taluk. Excavation have produced evidence for brick buildings, well laid out drainage, Tamil Brahmi inscriptions on pottery, beads of glass, etc. The Roman artifacts found at the site add to the evidence of ancient Indo-Rome trade relations. We come to end of our class. Homework time. Homework for the day is read book page number 102 to 105 and complete Roman 4 question number 4 and 5. Again I am repeating, read book page number 102 to 105 and complete Roman 4 question number 4 and 5. Go through the lesson clearly and try to complete all the book back exercise. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.